first. Okay guys, here we come. I want to change brake pad for GL166. So you got to have these tools. You need to have these tools. You need these tools, something like this. Though this, I have some that has 3 mouths, but I'm using this. Watch how we go about this. This is how we change our brake pad. This is brake pad tools. Then you turn it. So let's go. This is how we go. See how he's pulling it down. You can still adjust this up. So guys, this is how we change our brake pad on GL166. Just watch how we replace our brake pad on GL166. We have brake pad. As you can see, everything is steep. It's almost to the end. Yeah, it's done. So here we go. Job completed, and you can see everything is locked. This is a carry sensor. Yeah. You know, we have to turn the ignition on, release the parking brake, then disconnect the socket. Because by the time you switch off the ignition, the handbrake goes to the lock again. So we have to unplug the wire after disengaging it from handbrake, so that we'll be able to turn and then adjust the piston in. So what are we change our rear back brake pad on GL166. This is how we fix our brake pad on GL166. Did you turn this one upside down? Get that brake pad removed, man. The inner one. Okay, this one's supposed to be there. Sorry, different head. The one with sensor have to be in there. So here we go. Man the caliper. So guys, please, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Miami Automobile Technical Services. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video. So we have to lock on the 13 wire. Then plug in the wire, because by the time you turn on the ignition, the handbrake comes on automatically. So that's all. You are good to go. Please, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is GL166. This is GL166. So we are done changing the brake pad. This is GL166. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.